The Verve Analog Machines plugin by Universal Audio comes in two versions, a full-fledged version and right now the free Essentials plugin. This video focuses mostly on the Essentials plugin. Verve Machines gives you emulated analog machines, aimed for adding from harmonics to distortion, and they will add from warmth to grit. The bigger Verve Analog Machine has 10 models and these 10 different sound, caused by big differences between them in harmonics amount, drive behavior and EQ curves. The first 4 are meant as mixing tools while the other 6 are absolutely effects. 4 of them are included in Verve Essentials. I don't think they truly are the most essential ones of the bigger version. Verve Analog Machines are absolutely one-knob type plugins. There are barely any controls. The big version has output volume, drive and warble or tone depending on the model you choose. The Essentials version only has a drive. Now I think that these plugins are by no means a replacement for tape machine style plugins which add glue and tape compression. Even by simply inserting the plugin, with the drive set to 0, it already gives a sound. And all models immediately go louder as well. This built-in level change is a no-no for me. By simply going louder you will think it sounds better. The level differences here are between 1 and 4 decibels. Here are the 4 models of Essentials with the output level compensated with a separate plugin for a fair comparison of the sound. Here is how the drive sound on drums. You'll notice that each of the models gets dirtier in comparison with the previous one, and on the full-fledged version this is even more extreme. Visually, the Verve plugins are a huge departure of the usual universal plugin styling. These are playful and fun to look at, but probably not up to everyone's taste. If you need to split the revenue of your releases with multiple collaborators, DistroKid has splits. This enables you to, very simply, split the revenue you make. Add as many collaborators for a release you want and decide how much of the cake they get in percentages. On top of that, you can set recoupments as well, so if you agree on a fixed fee instead of royalties, this is the way to do that. Get 7% off of your first year with DistroKid by using the link in the description. The plugin adds about 4% CPU usage on my Cubase performance meter and has a latency of 2.3 milliseconds at 48 kHz. This Essential version, well, both actually, sound fun and will absolutely add a nice flavor wherever you use them in a mix. Right now, the Essentials version is free. Nothing to complain here, and you should download the plugin to have some nice new flavors. After this free period, the plugin will be $99, which I think is too much. The full-fledged version right now is already $99. Too much as well, but after this intro price it will be $199, which is just stupid. Anyhow, enjoy the free version right now, and probably there will be a sale somewhere in the future for the other one.